So here is structured app and how to install a widget with this app. So it's a popular calendar app. You can just tap and hold on your screen, tap plus, and then search for structured. And then there you have it. And then you will see upcoming tasks, something like that, small, medium, or large widget. And then you can just tap add widget like that, and then you will just see upcoming tasks, and then you can just go here, tap on the widget, and you instantly are shown, you will be shown the pop-up where you can just complete the task or just see the task details. You can also delete it, complete it, or copy or edit it. So yeah, that's quite handy. Also, you can just go to settings, you can go to your wallpaper and try to install lock screen widget for hopefully is there. Yes, so you can also have a lock screen widget with upcoming tasks like that. Then you can just install it like this. And yeah, so that's what it is. So yeah, hopefully that's what you can do.